Hello friends, welcome to the Wikinotes tutorial. This tutorial will help you to learn the concept of DBMS for GATE, UGC, NET PSU and university exam. Please friends press the like button and subscribe my channel. We have discussed. A transaction is a set of logically related operations. A transaction goes through different states throughout its life cycle. Asset properties are followed by each transaction to ensure the consistency of database. In this video lecture, we will discuss about concurrency problems of transactions. Concurrency problems in DBMS. When multiple transactions execute concurrently in an uncontrolled or unrestricted manner, then it might lead to several problems. Such problems are called as concurrency problems. The concurrency problems are dirty read problem, unrepeatable read problem, lost update problem, phantom read problem. Dirty read problem. Reading the data written by an uncommitted transaction is called as dirty read. This read is called as dirty read because there is always a chance that the uncommitted transaction might roll back later. Thus, uncommitted transaction might make other transactions read a value that does not even exist. This leads to inconsistency of the database. Important points. Dirty read does not lead to inconsistency always. It becomes problematic only when the uncommitted transaction fails and rollbacks later due to some reason. Example. Here T1 reads the value of A. T1 updates the value of A in the buffer. T2 reads the value of A from the buffer. T2 writes the updated the value of A. T2 commits. T1 fails in later stages and rolls back. In this example, T2 reads the dirty value of A written by the uncommitted transaction T1. T1 fails in later stages and rollbacks. Thus, the value that T2 read now stands to be incorrect. Therefore, database becomes inconsistent. Unrepeatable read problem. This problem occurs when a transaction gets to read unrepeated. That is, different values of the same variable in its different read operations even when it has not updated its value. Example. Here, T1 reads the value of x equals 10 say. T2 reads the value of x equals 10. T1 updates the value of x from 10 to 15 say in the buffer. T2 again reads the value of x but equals 15. In this example, T2 gets to read a different value of x in its second reading. T2 wonders how the value of x got changed because according to it, it is running in isolation. Lost update problem. This problem occurs when multiple transactions execute concurrently and updates from one or more transactions get lost. Example. Here T1 reads the value of A equals 10 say. T2 updates the value to A equals 15 say in the buffer. T2 does blind write A equals 25 write without read in the buffer. T2 commits. When T1 commits, it writes A equals 25 in the database. In this example, T1 writes the overwritten value of x in the database. Thus, update from T1 gets lost. Important points. This problem occurs whenever there is a write-write conflict. In write-write conflict, There are two writes, one by each transaction on the same data item, without any read in the middle. Phantom read problem. This problem occurs when a transaction reads some variable from the buffer and when it reads the same variable later, it finds that the variable does not exist. Example. Here T1 reads X. T2 reads X. T1 deletes X. T2 tries reading X but does not find it. In this example, T2 finds that there does not exist any variable X when it tries reading X again. T2 wonders who deleted the variable X because according to it, it is running in isolation. Avoiding concurrency problems. To ensure consistency of the database, it is very important to prevent the occurrence of above problems. Concurrency control protocols help to prevent the occurrence of above problems and maintain the consistency of the database. Thank you so much friends for watching my video lectures.